In today's tutorial, I'm going to discuss about some cool features of Adobe Photoshop 2020, and along with that, I also let you know how to use those cool features on Photoshop.
What's going on, everybody? So welcome to Doodler. So without adding much ado, let's jump into the tutorial.
So let's talk about the new features of Photoshop 2020. So first of all, which we can see is the change of the logo, because the logo in the previous version was more in cutout shape, but now the logo is in more oval shape and it looks more classy than before. Actually much better than the previous version. So now I'm coming on to the features, the inside tool features, which has been changed in 2020 version. So this particular image I have downloaded from Pixel. So what I will do is like selecting this particular image. If I go to properties, here's the properties, and here I can see the option remove background. So if I click on remove background, what will happen? It will automatically remove the background. So it's a quick one-click solution of your problem. So but there is some problem here with the hair, because as you can see, the little bit of background part has also been selected with the hair. So what we can do to avoid this is like because of the hair, you have to work on it more finely and accurately. So it's better to select those areas through channels. So I'm not showing this tutorial in this particular video also, and maybe I will later on I will make another video about this. So for the time being, I'm just making this image the background cutting image of this particular thing. So as you can see, it can happen in a click. So another thing which we will notice in Photoshop 2020 is select subject. So if I click on select subject, it will automatically select the subject area also. So now I will show you another feature which is like a very interesting feature here. You can see this particular image of cup and the sugar cubes. So here we will be able to see object selection tool. This is a very interesting feature here. So you can either choose the object through dragging the rectangle from here, or you can also choose lasso tool so to select the subject. So for this particular object, I will select the lasso tool and I will just click on the area and just selecting this particular thing which I need or I want to be selected. Okay, so now boom, as you can see, as soon as I have selected this particular area, the object has automatically been selected. Okay, so now what I will do is like I'm showing another feature that is like if you go to, suppose I want only this sugar cubes to be selected and not this particular cup or the particular thing here. So what I will do is like I will go to select, I will go to color range, and from here I will just pick the white color. So for picking it more accurately, you can click on the plus tool and just clicking here so that it can be selected accurately. So yeah, now what I will do is like I'm hitting OK. Now I can see that all of them are selected, all the white areas. So I don't need this part or this area. So what I will do is I will again go back to this object selection tool, and while pressing the Alt key, I will just again select the area like before. So what it will do is like, as you can see the minus sign here. So what it will do is like it will just remove this part from the selection. Boom, so it has been done. So it's a very quick thing which we can do here. And another thing is like which I'm going to show you is a very interesting feature, and that is like warp tool. So what I will do is like I will just go to edit, free transform, and from here I will choose warp. Okay, and here you can see the grid. So you can choose different kind of grid from here, from 3x3, 4x4, the way you actually want it. You can also give your own size through custom. So I'm just giving it 3 by 3 for the time being. And what I will do is like I will again click on free transform, and I will do split warp horizontally. You can also do the vertically. So what it will do now is like if I click on this part or area, like you can particularly warp a few features here, like the way you want it. So I'm just making a funny face of that particular girl, you can see. So yeah, so I'm just making a funny face. So you can just play with this according to your choice. So you can make a cartoony, a funny face, the way you want it. So this is a very cool feature of Photoshop 2020, which actually is very interesting. So I'm hitting OK. So yeah, you have given this particular image a very funny look. So you can also play more with this particular subject the way you want.
That's it for today, guys. I hope you have liked and enjoyed this video, and if you have liked this video, please give your positive feedback and comments in the comment section, and also let us know about if you have any special requirement of any kind of tutorial which you want to see. Also check my other tutorials about Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects and CorelDRAW to learn more about the design tools. So be happy, be positive, be awesome and be creative. I will see you in the next video. Until then,